Hi guys, simply AlRitch here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you where to find your top engagers. So every week, Meta has an update regarding our top engagers, and we can see that notification every Monday. Like today is Monday, so you just need to scroll down and find it here, but it's quite hard, especially if you have a lot of notification, especially for those pages that has a lot of followers. So it's really hard to find it here in the notification. But don't worry, guys, because there's actually an option where you can find that easily. So go to your Facebook page. If you are using the new pages experience. So my page is using the new pages experience. This is the updated version. So go to the about page and then scroll down. So there's upcoming events, past events, and you can see who's engaging this quick. So click on that one and you will now see those people who has engaged to your page the most. So for January 8 to 14, Atara is the top one and so on and so forth. So then you can click on the show your appreciation to thank this followers. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to find your top engagers. Thank you very much. Bye.